the one arm straight arm pull down. So here we're keeping our arm locked out straight, we're puffing our chest out and keeping our shoulder back, and we should be feeling it in our lat right there. Generally I put my hand on my collarbone so I can feel whether my shoulder's locked back in position or not. If you want to make this one a little bit harder, we can lean over a lot further to put the lat on a stretch, and as we pull in we can stand up to get a better contraction. So it's stretching out and fully contracting.